Hi everyone! If you are left-handed like me, this video is perfect for you. So today we are going to crochet a flower. It's very easy. If you are learning how to crochet, this tutorial is perfect for you. So we have here two colors. This one is orange and this one is brown. Let me see what kind of yarn we are using here. A yarn from Peaches and Cream. And this is worsted yarn. Dark taupe. 100% cotton. So, we will start with the core of the flower. We will use brown. You can use any color you want. Okay, let's start. First is you make magic circle. How to make magic circle? So you hold the yarn with your thumb, wrap it around your 3 fingers, and then hold it in place using your little finger. Grab the yarn from under, the one that you just put in place, pull it, twist, grab this yarn here, and pull it through a loop. There you go. So that's how you make magic circle. If you want it tight, you can do that. Just pull it like this. Okay. So now the second round, the first round was making the magic circle. The second round will be, we will single crochet 10 around this circle. Single crochet 10. Okay, so we have 1. Let me pull this yarn first. So, okay, single crochet. That's 1. You have to hold this in place, and then 2. You have 2 single crochets here. 3, 4, 5. I'll make it slow so you can follow. 6, 7. You have to hold this. Make sure you are holding this because you have to pull this. You need to pull this later when you have all the 10 single crochets. 8, 9, and 10. There. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you have 10 now. Then this time you pull this yarn here. Pull it. Pull it tight. Okay. So we call this the tail. The one that we just pulled is a tail. Then next step is we will do a slip stitch on this first chain here. So you do this, and then grab the yarn, pull it through and through. That's the slip stitch. You can pull more so it will close here. Okay, and then you pull the grab this yarn and pull it here, pull it through, and then we will cut the yarn. this tail. Okay, and just pull it tight. Okay, there. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have 10 chains or stitches there. Next is we will connect the petals. So this is the core of the flower, and then we will connect the petals. We will do slip stitch. Put your hook here, and then grab the orange yarn or whatever color of yarn you like or you are using, and then chain 2, 1 and 2. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Next, yarn over, and then go to the next stitch and make a half double crochet. So grab this yarn and pull it through and half double crochet. Yarn it over and pull it through 3 loops. There. Next, yarn over, and the same stitch we will make a double crochet. Put there, grab the yarn, pull it through, and then double crochet. Just pull it through 2 loops, and then grab another yarn and pull it into 2, and that's double crochet. Next is double crochet on the next stitch. Double crochet, yarn over, grab the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, and then grab the yarn and pull it through 2 loops. In the same space, half double crochet. Yarn it over, grab the yarn and pull it through 3 loops. There. Next is chain 1 and slip stitch on the next chain or next space, slip stitch. There. Chain 1, half double crochet on the same space. Yarn over, grab the yarn, half double crochet, pull it through 3 loops. Okay, then the same space, make double crochet. Pull it through 2 loops, and then grab the yarn, yarn it over and pull it through 2 loops. There. Next space is double crochet. Yarn over, grab it, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Same space, make half double crochet. Yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through 3 loops. There. Next is chain 1. Next space, slip stitch. There you go. Slip stitch, and then chain 1, half double crochet on the same space, pull through 3 loops, same space, double crochet, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Next space, double crochet, 2 loops, 2 loops, same space, half double crochet, pull through 3 loops, and then chain 1, next space, slip stitch. At this time you can release the 2, you can even cut it. There you go. And then chain 1, half double crochet on the same space. Oops. Pull through 3 loops, double crochet, same space, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, next space, double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, same space, half double crochet, pull through 3 loops, next chain 1, slip stitch on the next space, chain 1, half double crochet, same space, pull through 3 loops, double crochet, same space, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, double crochet, next space, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, next is half double crochet, same space, pull through 3 loops, chain 1, slip stitch, same space, and slip stitch here, there, and you can pull it through, and then cut it, pull through this. There you go. So you have a flower now. There's your flower. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. God bless you all. Bye-bye.